Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this video was requested by none other than JM Fire Alarms, and I'll show you the device in a minute, and we have a special guest. He's trying to ruin my video. He usually ruins stuff. It's none other than my dog Monty, who was a 9-year-old Manchester Schnauzer. He is going to be 10 on 29th of December. I don't know, really. Yeah, he's looking at me weirdly, thinking why am I talking to myself. Anyway, so audience really. Right, so this is what JM Fire Alarms wanted me to review. That he wanted to see a video on, and he's got one of these himself. It's a C-Tec Activ conventional optical smoke detector. And also thank you to David, Fire Alarm Things here, for giving me this. It's a really good detector, I like it. Yeah. So I'll put links to both JM Fire Alarms and Fire Alarm Things here in the description. Right, so this is it. I think the newer ones, I think this was like one of the first gen ones, there were generations. The newer ones have a ring on the top to identify what colour what type of detector it is, and it's grey for optical smoke, or just smoke in general, blue for multi-sensor, and red for heat, as far as I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, I think that's right. Got twin fire LEDs for 360 viewing, I guess. Class is 360. And it's got something, well, not really a unique feature, but it's a different feature. It's got an ID tag, which is not common on conventional detectors. Usually it's unaddressable, like the Apollo stuff, the Apollo XP95. Discovery, Soteria, the new addressable ones, with their expert cards. Okay, let's just open it up, and you can see the wiring. And I know it is the right wiring. I've tested it out before the video, and it does work. Different terminals, and this thing doesn't. You can get a locking mechanism for this, or a base which had breakouts, but this one don't come with the thing. That's fine. I don't need a locking mechanism because it's not going to be in a commercial place, really. It's just the base. And then that's the label on the back. Let me zoom in. Okay. Yeah, it's just all the information you need, like made in UK, what it is, model number, certifications, what company. That's pretty much it. Like most usual detectors, it's a twist and then click into place. Right. I'll get one of the fire LEDs in shot there. And then I'll spray it with some. I know you're not meant to spray it with deodorant, but it's the only thing I have right now. Really need to get one of those smoke sabers or some canned smoke or something, but I haven't got much money right now because of Christmas, of course. Right, let's just give it a little bit of fit. Come on, you were working just then. The battery's a bit dodgy. I need to get a new one of those connector things. I swear it doesn't work, does it? Come on. Hey, there we go. That's lit up. I think you can see it on camera. I'll turn the lights off. I'll put my lid down on my laptop because that's giving off the most light as well. Just turn a little bit off. Voila. And that looks quite cool. I'll pick the camera up so you can see the other LED. Oh, it's not going to focus now, is it? It's not really. This camera, it's on one of. I think it's This is one of the latest iPads, and the camera's still not great on it. It's better on my iPhone, but I can't. Well, I don't really like recording on an iPhone. Oh, didn't know you could do that. It's a different feature on the camera. I've just figured out. Yes, that is quite cool. I'll just turn my lights back on. And I've just tripped over the dog in the process. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it, really. Just reset it. It's a normal. Oh, no, it's reset itself. Just give it a blow out. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. It might activate again. It might not. That's pretty much it though. So yeah, subscribe to JM Fire Alarms and David Fire Alarms here. I'll put their links in the description again. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more.